Hey fifth graders, today I'm going to show you how to use WeVideo in order to create your Wax Museum story in a video format with pictures and your voiceover. Now some of you may already have it downloaded as an app. If you do, you'll be able to see it within your apps section. It looks like this. It's like a blue background with a little play button and it says WeVideo. All you have to do is click on that in order to open the app. If you do not have it, you'll need to go to the web store and type in WeVideo, all one word, and you will add this app here where it's WeVideo with the words in white on the blue background, and you'll just click Add to Chrome. Mine says Rate It now that I've already downloaded it. So now let's go back into the app and I'll show you how to create your video. So first thing I'm going to do is go to my dashboard. I'm going to show you how to create a brand new WeVideo. So this is the screen as it looks right away. You may not have anything in your media yet, and that's because you haven't uploaded any images into it yet. Don't worry, you'll get there. First thing I want to show you how to do is name your video. So right now I just clicked on the words My Video. I'm going to change it so I know that this is my wax museum, and then you could put the name of your person. So let's say it's Helen Keller. That's what I did. I'm going to save it as a second version because I can't remember what I saved my actual one as. Then I'll click OK. So now you can see my title up here. Next thing we're going to do is change this title screen. Obviously we don't want the first page to be title. I may even get rid of that eventually and just have a picture of Helen in the background. It's really up to you. But at some point you will need to have a screen that says Wax Museum 2017 and then, whoops, not your person's name, your own name. And you can change the font if you'd like. I'm going to leave it for now. And then you'll click Done Editing. Now the way I edited that screen is I clicked on the little pencil. So now you'll notice as I drag, this kind of shows me a play-by-play of my slides. You can see my title has now changed. Let's talk about how to get pictures. So first things first, you'll need to do a Google image search of your Wax Museum person, and then you can even click on if you want to narrow your search. Obviously our Wax Museum speeches go in order of our person's lives. So what we need to do is find probably images of their childhood first, if possible. If there aren't images available, you may be able to find illustrations that will suit your project, and I can always help you look for things that will work for you best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image. Mine's going to save on my desktop. Yours will probably save into your drive. Once I've chosen an image I would like, I'm going to click on this green cloud type object, and that allows me to import my picture that I just selected. You'll click on Google Drive when you get to yours since you're using Chromebooks, but I'm going to browse and select the image from my desktop. I clicked Open, so now it shows up in my media. In order to add this, I can simply click on the plus, or I can grab it and drag it into this bar here, your workspace. Now eventually, let's say I wanted this to show up after or before a slide, you can click and drag to move it wherever you would like it to show up. So those are the basics of inserting images into your presentation. Now I want to show you the voiceover, which will be you recording your voice while you go through your speech. In order to do that, you're going to click on this microphone icon. Once you've clicked on that microphone icon, this is what you see displayed. Now you should only be doing your voiceover once you're ready to record your whole speech. Now the reason I say you need to be ready for your whole speech is due to the fact that once you start recording, that is going to be your total voiceover. You're not able to do small clips. So if you do mess up quite a bit throughout, you'll want to stop and re-record. So to show you how to do that, you'll click on the microphone and it'll give you a countdown. Now you can begin talking, and so you'll begin reading through your script. what I did while I recorded was I read through my speech off of my paper, and that actually helped me to memorize my speech for later use. So this video will actually be really helpful for you in starting to memorize, or just kind of to help you keep it memorized in your mind. Once you're done recording, yours will obviously be longer than 30 seconds. You'll click stop, and your recording is saved. So once you're done, you'll click this check that says done, and you'll be able to see your new recording pop up here. And if you want to, you can listen to it by clicking play. Now you can begin talking. Okay, so once you're satisfied with it and you feel like your recording is a nicely done job, you can grab it, and what you'll do is you'll drag it into your workspace. You're going to make sure you select voiceover and then click, I think yours will probably say add. I had something already in there, so I'm going to click replace. Once you're done with that, you can start by having your beginning thing, just to see how it's going so far, at the beginning of your title page, and click play. So you can hear my voiceover now as the pictures are coming up. So this is where, as you record or as you're playing through your voiceover, you can extend your pictures so they last a little bit longer for some of the voiceover. So you can see now that this slide lasts for 8 seconds, this one lasts for 8.4 seconds, that kind of a deal. Now I have it lasting, I dragged it so that it's 15.6 seconds. So that is how to do the voiceover. Eventually, once you're satisfied with everything, so your pictures, your voiceover, you're ready to add some music. They have some fun ones on here. Let's see what this one. Oh, that's kind of cool. Now remember, for the volume, you're going to make sure that your music is a little bit on the quiet side, because we want to hear your voice more than we want to hear anything else. So if I've selected my track, I'll say use this track, and then I'm going to go back and make sure that I can still hear my voice well. Now you can begin talking, and so you'll begin reading through your script. What I did while I recorded was I like that. So you can hear the music, but it's quiet enough in the background where you can really hear my voice coming through. So those are just a few of the basics. If you need any help, please let me know and I will help you throughout class. But again, I just wanted to make this quick video for you to go through some of the features of WeVideo. Thank you for watching.